Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go. It's very simple. You'll get a joystick and you can go wherever you want. First of all, you need this application, Fly GPS. Yeah, that's the name. Now, and it's available on Play Store. So just search for it. Yeah, the name is Fake GPS. And just open it. So for now I'm in Texas. So let's land right here. Yeah, click on the menu, GPS service run, joystick location mode, Pokemon, and the service will start. Now all you got to do is launch your application right here. Alright, Pokemon Company. Yeah. And guys, actually I'm in India, sitting at my home. But for the game, Texas. Okay, this is the water body. Now let's run. For proof that it is just with the joystick that I'm moving, I'll run through the water body. Yes. Yeah, that's the river. Yes. And I'll just go to a Pokestop to prove. So guys, enjoy. Oh, great ball wasted.